Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn channel. We are in the Learn Hindi series. So in this video, we are going to talk about the letters which are looking very similar. There might be a slight difference. So I'm introducing you to those letters where there is a small difference. So while practicing the writing, you pay attention to this detail and write the letters in their correct form so that you can avoid the mistake in reading and writing. So the first group is basically E, Nga and Da. There is a S common to all of these letters. There is a slight extension in the E. There is a dot in the Nga and it is very plain in Da. The next group is Ga and Da. So I have pointed out those differences. There is a small circle in the beginning in Da, whereas in Ga it is plain. Similarly, Ba and Va. So there is a stroke in Ba which is not present in Va. The next group is Ta, Da and Da. So there is a small straight line and a semicircle for Ta. It ends with a complete circle in Da and there is a stretch in Da. So that is a difference. The next group is Ta, Ba, Ma, Ya. So you can see in the Ta there is one small circle. It starts with one small circle and there is the curve is moving in the opposite direction after some point. In Ba there are two circles. In Ma it starts with a straight line and small circle. And in Ya there are no circle. The curve after some point it starts in the opposite direction. So these are all the differences. So please pay attention to these details and write and read carefully. Thank you for watching.